Welcome back, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we have a captivating botanical wonder to explore, Euphorbia Decaryi, commonly known as the crown of thorns. Join us on this fascinating journey as we uncover its rich history, unique characteristics, and essential insights for successful cultivation. Introducing the stunning Euphorbia Decaryi, a succulent native to the arid regions of Madagascar. Its striking appearance and resilience have earned it various nicknames, including Crown of Thorns and Christ Plant. Behold the exquisite Euphorbia Decaryi. This succulent boasts distinctive gray-green stems adorned with sharp thorns resembling a crown, from which it derives its common name. Its striking appearance and ability to produce vibrant blooms make it a prized addition to any garden. To nurture the Euphorbia Decaryi, replicate its natural habitat. Provide ample sunlight as it thrives in full sun or partial shade. This drought-tolerant succulent prefers well-draining soil, and it's crucial to avoid overwatering as it is susceptible to root rot. Complement the beauty of the Euphorbia Decaryi with other drought-tolerant succulents like agave, aloe, or Hetaveria in a stunning desert-themed garden. These combinations not only enhance visual appeal, but also create a low-maintenance and water-efficient landscape. Aside from its aesthetic appeal, the Euphorbia Decaryi has historical significance. Legend has it that the crown of thorns plant was used to create Jesus Christ's crown during the crucifixion. In addition to its cultural importance, the plant has medicinal properties in traditional medicine. There you have it, a captivating exploration of the history and native range description, growing conditions and requirements, companion planting and uses of Euphorbia Decaryi, also known as the crown of thorns. Embrace the allure of this resilient succulent in your gardening endeavors, and stay tuned for more enthralling episodes featuring an array of fascinating living organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest content. Happy gardening!
Mira esa pantalla por donde anda ese culo, quiere que le dé